Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Z60S Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. Now we have to scroll down, localize build number, and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter system and update and tap on developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can disable USB audio routing, you can change animations. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, etc. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied, and you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher, which is pinned to the top of the screen, and after getting back into the system and update settings, you can see that the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.